The Magento community sent me a website for the performance review, and here's what's interesting. It's built using Hyvä Commerce. Yes, the site is running on Hyvä. One moment, right, is built on Hyvä Commerce and uses Smile Elastic Search Tracker. Let's find Hive in the code. There it is. Window. Hyvä, 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 Hyvä everywhere. So, what does that tell us? Hyvä is actively working with Russia and selling licenses there. Now, we personally believe Hyvä is not even a useful product, but since they promote themselves as valuable, it means they are helping terrorists, rapists, and murderers profit. What's more alarming is that this site operates not only in Russia, but also internationally, according to their own description. Let's check their About page, women's clothing, shipping to other countries too. So what we're looking at is a business that generates money to fund the killing of Ukrainians, Europeans, and American soldiers by selling clothing that ultimately helps build rockets, suicide drones, and other weapons. Let's now take a look at this site's performance. Just how much is it helping the Russian war machine? Alright, it passed a performance assessment. In other words, Hyvä is officially supporting and enabling Russian aggression. Let's open a product category page. Actually, that's not too interesting. Nor is the homepage. Those are static and don't reflect real performance. So that's a fail. Still, that doesn't remove Hyvä's responsibility for doing business with Russia, which has been officially designated as a terrorist state by the European Parliament. And yet, Hyvä is still selling licenses to them. Let's now look at a product page. Another fail, it seems. Hyvä only improves static pages. That's all for this emergency update. As an additional note, I want to highlight that Adobe continues to do business with Russia and Belarus, effectively supporting criminals. Thanks to the Magento community for supporting Ukrainian developers and sharing information about companies that continue to do business with Russia and Belarus. Companies like Amacerty from Belarus, among others, should fully exit Belarus and stop sponsoring international terrorism.